hot. It's over 30 degrees. Absolutely dying. I'm dying. Absolutely dying. My ankle hurts. I'm hot. Hurt myself too. Oh my god, I went up the wrong way. I try to choose to go that way. Shit. Fuck. Oh shit balls. It's so freaking hot. So hot. So, I'm dying in the bush. That is going to happen. Freaking terrified of snakes. Oh no! I keep hearing people come, but I don't know if anyone's coming. Oh my god, I went up the wrong way. I thought the other part was this part. Fuck! Fuck. Oh my god! Oh, this thing's so hot. Oh, it's hot. Well, I'm alive. That's amazing. I'm alive. And I land on my face 90% of my time. I'm all over the place. Oh. Holy fuck. Ah! Oh. Fucking. My thumb. My sweat. Oh, it's hot. I'm neutral, goddammit. I give up. Ah, you fuckhead. Oh, you fucking cunt! You're good. You're good. Ah, fuck. Ah! Holy fuck. What's a fucking tree? My fucking god. Oh. Fucking trees. Oh, this is not where I thought I was. Oh, I did the hard bit without even knowing. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. Why did you follow their line? That's your line. Oh. What is this? Hey, you fucking cunt. Oh god. Hey, you fuckhead. Why? I think they went the other way. I can't fucking turn around. I'm gonna fucking have to. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Oh my god, I'm stuck. Okay, wait, bitch. I do it! And how do you get scared? Oh shit! Ah! Oh, wall fat! Fuck, I don't think I can do it, but I will do it. Fuck me.